Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we're in Lehi today in the Park Estates neighborhood. This is a subdivision of the Ivory Ridge Master Plan community, and this home is grandfathered through at a lower HOA fee per month of $18.50, but you can opt in for another $100 a month to the Ivory Ridge Swim and Tennis Club, which is about a half a mile that way to the east. They've got outdoor swimming in the summertime, outdoor tennis. They also have indoor tennis for the wintertime, a fitness center, community classes with that, and a nice clubhouse. So a lot of amenities if you wanted to opt into it, but this one's grandfathered through at the lower HOA fee, which is nice. And around the corner, there's a 9-acre park that has a splash pad, walking trails, basketball, there's bathrooms, and they also do movies in the park right there. And that park's dedicated to the city, but it's in this community. So this is a great location in Northeast Lehi, close to Adobe and a lot of the tech jobs that have came in at the Thanksgiving Point area. I'll take you on a tour of this home and show you some of the features and orient you around the layout as well. All right, so here in the entryway, we do have tall vaulted ceilings welcoming you into the great room. And this is a nice spacious living area. They've done custom trim work throughout the home. We have the tile around the fireplace and a nice hearth. Quartz countertops, they upgraded to the extra thick. And then these cabinets have been replaced and they're dovetail as well. We also have stainless appliances and then the tile backsplash as well as the upgraded gold hardware on the cabinets. So this is a beautiful kitchen that was upgraded and installed in the last few years. Over here we have the dining room, and we have nice floating shelves, upgraded light fixtures, and this is a spacious spot to have a nice big table. We have the bar stool seating with the batten board surround on the island. This way we'll take you over to the master bedroom. The upstairs floor, or the upstairs carpet, has been replaced in the last couple years, so it's in good shape. This is a spacious master. This is a king bed right here. You can see how much extra room there still is in this bedroom. Again, they have the nice woodwork trim on the wall back there. We've got a walk-in closet here, nice built-in shelving, lots of space. And then here in the master bathroom, they've also remodeled in here, adding the 12 by 24 marble flooring. And we've got the quartz countertops. There's a double sink, again, upgraded golden hardware, and the separate tub shower with the subway tile surround. So lots of upgrades in this house. So over here, we've got the laundry room. We do have a nice custom tile floor. They did upgrade to cabinetry with quartz countertops in here, nice shelving. And then we pass through a half bath as well for guests on the main. We've got a coat closet right here in the entryway. Around the corner, there's 2 more bedrooms up here. So this one's bedroom number 2. It does have vaulted ceilings as well, and a nice 6-foot wide opening for a closet. And then we've got bedroom number 3 with lots of natural light, extra window space. And this is a good sized bedroom with, again, a 6-foot wide closet opening. I'll open this one for you so you can see there are some built-in shelves and good hanging space in these closets. And then we've got the full bathroom here in the hallway. So upgraded tile work, also upgraded the cabinets to the soft close, dovetail, adult height, and they have quartz. And so this is a very nice bathroom. We'll take you downstairs. They've trimmed it with Craftsman railing, and the basement's fully finished. So down here, there's a nice great room, nice living room, and it's trimmed with shiplap. We have added can lights, a little kitchenette here for entertaining, and this is a mini fridge. So lots of space here. Now there's 3 bedrooms down here. This one's one of them. It does have a closet here. It's currently used as a gym, so you could remove the flooring and put carpet, or keep it as a gym. So this one's bedroom number 4. And then we've got a little entertaining space there with currently a ping pong table. over here, we've got bedroom number 5. Here, they've again trimmed it with nice woodwork, a 6-foot wide closet, nice light fixtures, and it has a pass through here into the basement full bath. So we've got a quartz countertop here, and then the tub shower combo through the slider door here. So it does pass through to this open area, so that way the guests down here have access to the full bath as well as that bedroom. And this one's bedroom number 6. So this one's the biggest bedroom down here, and it has a nice walk-in closet, a lot of space, and built-in shelves here for a little desk station. And then we've got the utility room right here. So this utility area was finished off into a small little office, but there's cold storage right here, and it's pretty good size under the porch. And then we've got the actual utilities here. This water heater was replaced in the last 6 months, and it does have a high efficient furnace as well. And now I'll take you out to the backyard, and we'll show you some of the extra storage that they have back there as well. All right, so back here we've got a nice Trex style deck, and we've got a large concrete patio that's been added, and a gas line ran to this fire pit, and then beautiful pergola. Over here on the side yard, we've got a garden area, a fruit tree, and a little storage shed, just the open face storage area. And then we've got the concreted in swing set and an in-ground trampoline here. And then over on the side, we've got a built-in storage shed to the side of the garage. So over here, this is to the side of the garage, so you can come out of the garage and access this built-in storage shed here. So it does have power and just the extra space for bikes, golf clubs, whatever, yard tools. And around the side over here, there's another cubby that's kind of compartmentalized off, and it's just more storage that's easier to access from right here on the side yard. Now all this was built to match the aesthetics of the house, and has the similar look and feel, and it is attached. So here in the garage, it's easy access right from that storage shed, and they've maximized the storage in here as well with overhead storage, different wall storage devices, and more overhead here. So it's a really efficient 2-car garage, and then it'll bring us back here into the entryway. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout as well as some of the features of the home and the community. If you'd like to see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more market updates and home tours. Thank you.